As a motorcycle owner, you know that your bike is more than just a machine, it's a part of your lifestyle. But did you know that motorcycle theft is a huge problem, with only a small percentage of stolen bikes ever being recovered? In fact, according to the National Insurance Crime Bureau, only 39% of stolen motorcycles are ever recovered, compared to 57% of stolen cars. But now, there's a way to protect your bike: TC Nighthawk's wireless tags. First ever option for a unit of this kind for the motorcycle community. Our cutting-edge technology allows you to utilize geofencing when parked in high-crime areas, giving you peace of mind and protection against theft. With TC Nighthawks, you'll always know where your bike is, and will be alerted if it moves outside of your designated area. And because our tags are wireless, there's no need for complicated installations or wires, which means they are virtually unable for thieves to detect. So don't let motorcycle theft ruin your passion for riding this summer. Protect your valuable asset with TC Nighthawk's wireless tags. TC Nighthawks, protecting what matters most to motorcycle owners.